To use the Amex Equinox credit and enjoy $300 Equinox statement credits, you need to follow a series of steps. First, you need to be an American Express card member, specifically a holder of the Amex Platinum card, as this offer is exclusive to these cardholders. The Amex Equinox credit is a benefit that provides $300 in statement credits per year for purchases made at Equinox, a high-end fitness club with locations across the United States. To sign up for this benefit, you first need to enroll your eligible American Express card through the American Express website or mobile app. Once enrolled, you can start earning statement credits by making purchases at Equinox, such as buying a membership or taking classes. The credits will be applied automatically to your account after the purchase is made, and you can earn up to $300 in credits per year. It is essential to note that the Equinox credit is only available for purchases made directly with Equinox, and not for purchases made through third-party vendors or other retailers. Additionally, the credits are only available for the primary cardholder and not for authorized users. To make the most of this benefit, it is recommended to use the credits for purchases that you would normally make anyway, such as membership dues or classes, and to keep track of your spending to ensure that you do not exceed the $300 limit. Overall, the Amex Equinox credit is a valuable benefit for American Express cardholders who frequent Equinox fitness clubs, and by following these steps, you can easily sign up and start enjoying the statement credits.